what is the natural vegetation of an area? Well, it refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. Now, when we talk about India, well, you can divide natural vegetation in India into 4 major categories. These are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn and scrub forest, and montane forest. Now, among these, deciduous forest is a type of forest which covers major part of India. So, what exactly is a deciduous forest or a deciduous type of vegetation? Well, deciduous vegetation is a vegetation which is also called monsoon forest. So, deciduous forests are also called monsoon forests. And why are they called monsoon forests? Because their growth majorly depends on the monsoon rains which come in our country. So, this particular type of forest depends majorly on the monsoon rains, and that's why these are also called monsoon forests. Now, what is the unique thing about a deciduous vegetation or a deciduous forest? Well, trees shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks in the dry season, and that is why this type of forest is called a deciduous forest, or this type of vegetation is called a deciduous vegetation, because trees shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks in the dry season. So, trees in such region will shed their leaves in the dry season. So, mostly in this forest, in the dry season, you will see that the trees don't have enough leaves, and as a result, this type of forest is called a deciduous forest or deciduous vegetation. Now, what are the major trees which are found in this type of forest? Well, teak, semul, mahua and sal are the major type of trees which you will see in this type of forest. So, teak, semul, mahua and sal are the type of trees which we can categorize as deciduous vegetation. Now, how would you identify a teak tree? Well, a teak tree will look something like this. So, the structure is like this, and then by the leaves you will be able to identify that this is a teak tree. What about semul? Well, semul trees have a very unique thing. They can be identified by these red flowers. So, by these red flowers you can identify that this tree is a semul tree. What about mahua? Well, mahua is another common tree found in deciduous forests. So, mahua tree has a structure like this, and it has leaves as well as fruits which look like this. So, from the leaves and fruits you can identify that it is a mahua tree. And what about sal? Well, sal is another very common type of tree found in deciduous forest. Now, sal is pretty tall and looks something like this. So, the structure is like this, and from these leaves you can clearly identify that this is a sal tree. Now, which of the following trees are not found in deciduous type of vegetation? Teak, mahogany, mahua or sal? What do you think? Well, the tree which is not found in deciduous type of vegetation is mahogany. So, teak, mahua and sal are major types of trees which are found in deciduous type of vegetation. So, mahogany is the tree which is not found in deciduous type of vegetation. So, you see, if we talk about deciduous vegetation, it covers a major part of India, and some of the states which are majorly covered by deciduous type of forest are Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. So, many of the major states in our country are covered by deciduous type of vegetation. So, you see, what is the unique quality about deciduous vegetation? Well, it is that these trees shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks during the dry season, and that is why they are called deciduous vegetation.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.